guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. We just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on advanced here. You click on it. Then you come to next step here. Come here to card hardware render. Click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here card hardware render enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.